Hello guys, welcome to Cryptic Tech YouTube channel. Guys, I'm here with a very legit update, which is NotPixel. This project was introduced to us by Notcoin and Dogs. They spoke about this project and I feel this project is going to do well. Guys, check on the description of this video to get a link to this NotPixel bot. Check on the description, the link will be there. So guys, after clicking on the link, you'll be directed to this place, which is NotPixel. I will teach you how to paint. It's literally just about painting and doing some Telegram and Twitter tags. So after clicking on the link, you'll be directed to this bot, which is this. So just click on start. So after clicking on the link, clicking on start, as you can see, so this is basically what you'll be doing. So you just zoom in, then just draw. You zoom in, you tap, then you paint. That's one. You'll be given 5 paints daily, as you can see. So you zoom in, you paint, you zoom in again, you paint, you zoom in, you paint, and that's all for the day. This is very easy. It's very easy. So as you can see, I have about 1271 NotPixel. So when you click on that, you can also run some tags here, like Telegram tags, Twitter tags, all that. As you can see, I've done most of them. As you can see, I've done most of these. And if you're a premium user, you can just claim 500 pixel if you're a Telegram premium user. As you can see, this is very easy. This is easy. So, and when you refer, you earn more pixel. Okay, so after painting, like if you should paint 20 times, you can just get 64 pixel here, NotPixel, as you can see here. So I've not done that task yet. I've painted about 15 times, so you just claim 64 after painting 20 times. Then if you invite friends, you can claim. For each friend you invite, you get 8 pixel. As you can see, for a premium user friend you invite also, you get 64 pixel, which is this. So this is very easy. So you claim, click here to claim every 1 minute, claim pixel every 1 minute. So this is very easy. When you spend stars also, Telegram stars, when you spend it, you get 512 pixel here. When you join a league, you get, as you can see, I joined and I got 512 pixel right now. So as you can see, my pixel, I do have 1520. So that's all for that, guys. That's all for that. This is easy. So that's all for today, guys. Do not forget to like this video, subscribe, and also click on the notification bell to get notified whenever I drop a new video. See you next time.